Hi. So you're looking for air filtration because you want to make your family more healthy. Well, today I've got the perfect thing to talk to you about. At Angel Water, we're super proud to start to add air filtration to our business. Now, what we've been doing is we've looked all over the country trying to find the right filter system because I don't know how many customers' homes we walk into and they understand our passion. Our passion is about making your family more healthy and saving you money. Now, making your family more healthy is pretty basic, right? What are we made of? We're made up of trillions of cells. So let's think about what the cells are made of, right? The water, my God, one of the most important things. Food, next most important thing. And then air. Now, when I've analyzed what makes people more sick, I've found in my career, which I was used to be in pharmaceuticals, I've learned in my career it's the exposure to chemical toxins. So that led me on the path to water filtration. But now it's also led me to air filtration. And what we've done is we've partnered with a great company called Healthway. That's this guy right here. This Healthway air filtration system uses what's called DFS technology, which is technology that's phenomenal. It kills bacteria, mold, it has HEPA filtration. So these are some of the most important things that you should be looking for when you choose an air filter. Now, basically, when we take a look at this guy, it plugs into the outlet, obviously a 110 outlet. And what you can see here is that we have some basic filters which need to be changed once a year. Now, if you know anything about Angel Water, you've worked with us in the past, you know that all water filtration that we sell needs to be changed about once a year. Well, we do service every make and model, so sometimes there's those that need every 3 months, but we prefer to look at the products that are certified, which this one is, to HEPA standards, so it can provide you the greatest air quality in your home. Now, this guy has this air filter that has to be changed once a year. It also has a DFS filter, which is on the back of the unit back here, that also, as you can see here, comes out and gets replaced once a year. So basically, it's a pretty simple device. Obviously, it inhales air from the bottom, blows it up through, and gets your family the highest quality air you could possibly ask for. So when we think about things, I just want you to recognize that what I went through and why I want to share this with you. So as I've met with many customers, they've brought this up over and over. I mean, we've been in business for now, over 50 years. I've been the owner of it for about 26 years. And when I meet with customers, they're super passionate about taking care of their families. And so in that mindset, when we look at the stuff that actually can get into your home, we look at chemicals, right? When we remove the rock and the chlorine out of water, then you can reduce or switch to natural products, but chemicals are still there. You have off-gassing from maybe new carpets, new painting. You have if you think about the byproduct of, let's say, deep frying within your home, you have all this gas, all these oils that get up into the air. And do you have anything to filter it out? Maybe, maybe not. If you're looking for something that does a high quality job, this Healthway system is fantastic. And basically, you have even it tells you when things need to be changed on it, and there is a different speed. So in the event that you had maybe Thanksgiving and you're doing a ton of cooking and you want to put a boost on, it can suck in more air and do a little bit more air filtration. By the way, if you're a smoker or you have dogs and cats, the dander might mean that you need to change the filters a little bit more often because, of course, it's going to do an amazing job on that. So if you're looking to take better care of your family, and you recognize that your cells, like I did, are made up of only a couple things, food, water, and air, then you may want to make that initial investment into a Healthway air filtration system. If you have any further questions on this, as you know, I'm passionate about making your family more healthy. You can check out the link below. You can find more information on our website. And you can always give us a call. We'll answer any questions that we can. As you know, my name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you. Have a great day.